Jake, and welcome back to another vlog. This is vlog number 13 already. I cannot believe I've been vlogging for this long. It's been really fun. I'm going to try to start now, back up with the 2 posts a week. It's been pretty tough. Weeks have been busy. I probably won't post twice this week. I'm going to post on next Friday, and then the week after this week, I'll start posting twice, if that makes sense. I kind of just confused myself there. But that's beside the point. Today's vlog is going to be reviewing a $16 GoPro. Okay, well I can't say it's a GoPro because it isn't, but it's a camera called the SJ4000, and I have it right here. And on eBay I got this for $16.95. This is pretty much a waterproof camera. I got the waterproof case, and it does action sport camera. So it's not the best quality, but for $16.95, I thought it was pretty cool. And I want to do a review. If you're looking for a cheap camera, this is absolutely spectacular for one. So I'm going to roll a clip, some clips of what it looks like out in the snow, because we had a huge snowstorm on Thursday. As you may or may not have noticed, the camera is really zoomed in, and one problem with it is you can't really zoom in or out. There's like a little button and it zooms kind of in and zooms kind of out, but it really isn't that much of a difference for, you know, videos. You can't really tell. So when I was taking the video that you saw right in the intro with the music playing, that camera was really far back and it was really zoomed in, so you could see the tree on the left and like the hill covered in snow. So that was one part that I'm not a fan of with the camera. As you can see, it has a pretty solid size screen. I'm going to turn it on here. And it's going to give me a nice loading screen. And it's hard to pick up on this camera, but as you can see, you move it around, it's really zoomed in. So right now I'm here, and you see the doorknob. I know it's a little blurry, but it's over there, right? But when you look through the camera, it is really zoomed in all the way to the door. It doesn't even pick up the Xbox, and when you bring it down to the Xbox, and this is really close to the lens right now. I just put the wide lens on. You know, the Xbox far away, but it makes it look really zoomed in, and this is the farthest it zooms out. So that's what I mean by the zooming. And you can zoom a bit with the settings, zoom out a bit with the settings, but not that much. The problem with it is when you have the case, you can't hear sound. You may hear a little, so that's one problem. So those are like the 2 biggest problems I found, but I want to go into the positives of the camera. The camera is a solid size. You can put it on your chest, or if you have a helmet, and it's good for dashboard cameras because you don't really need a high-tech camera for a dashboard camera. And overall, if you're bringing something in the snow or the rain or whatever, I think it's a really solid camera. Now, right now to test and show you the waterproofness of this camera, I'm going to give it a turn on. So we're going to press this button. We hear that little sound. It's already going to start recording. Yep, so it's recording. We're going to place it right under here. We're going to run some water over it. Really get it submerged in the water. Get it on the camera. As you see, it's still on. And right now you can kind of see me through it. I know it's a bit blurry. And I'll show you what the camera looks like. Now that it is, I'm going to show you what the video looks like after it's been submerged in water. To be honest, the footage obviously isn't going to be great because there's water rushing, but it does show the camera is legitimately waterproof. It comes with a bunch of stands, so there's a stand to put on your helmet, stand to put on your chest. I just put the regular stand. I think they call it like the scenic stand to like put down, and it like gets a wide shot of stuff, or a wide shot. So yeah, I'd say cop it if you're looking for like a really cheap kind of GoPro camera, just take some cool underwater shots, or if you're in the snow like I just was. But yeah, so I'm not actually going to end the vlog here. So yesterday, this is like a out of order vlog, I went to the gym and I was going to show you how I practice when I play basketball and how I've improved since last year, and just what I do to the gym to improve my handles and shot. And I was 2 minutes into recording and they asked me to stop recording because there was a group of 10 people coming on the court and they didn't want me to film, which I understood. So I only got like 1 minute of footage of me like kind of warming up and like shooting shots. So I'm just going to roll it really quick and that'll be the end of the vlog. So before the vlog finishes, I just want to say thank you for watching, and after you watch the next clip, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.